Simple mindfulness meditation exercises for beginners. Mindfulness meditation allows us to embrace wandering thoughts. Your mind is running through to-do lists or old memories. Mindfulness encourages you to observe and embrace. These types of thoughts can trigger your brain's stress responses. Mindfulness counteracts this by activating your brain's relaxation response. Let's say you're trying to clear your mind and relax. Meditation isn't to focus and analyze the different thoughts, but more to recognize the feelings. Mindfulness means embracing your thoughts, worries, and emotions to create better balance in your life. This practice involves focusing on one single thing, often your breaths. Sit in a comfortable position that supports your body and provides stability. Let your gaze drop downward or close your eyes, whatever feels most comfortable for you. For a few minutes, only focus on physical sensations in your body. People often turn their attention to their breathing patterns. Your mind may start to wander away from your focus on physical sensations, and that's okay. When you notice a thought pop into your head, acknowledge it and gently redirect yourself back to your breathing. It's okay to start off slowly in practicing this type of meditation. Even a minute or two can be beneficial. The goal here is to improve your clarity and ability to focus. Relax, you've survived all the challenges in life so far. Like, share, subscribe. Please. More tutorials coming soon. Thank you.